In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Microsoft Outlook experience by adjusting the reading pane settings. Whether you're someone who handles hundreds of emails daily or just a few, having a well-organized inbox is crucial, and this feature is designed to help you with just that. First, you'll want to navigate to your Microsoft Outlook platform. It's likely that you're already familiar with this step, but if you're new, simply open your computer or mobile app and sign in with your usual credentials. Now that you're in, the key to customizing your reading experience begins with locating the View tab. You'll find this option at the top of the Outlook window. Clicking on it will open a menu that offers various features to tailor the appearance and functionality of your inbox. What we're particularly interested in today is the reading pane, sometimes also referred to as the preview pane. This allows you to read the contents of your emails without having to open each one individually, saving you valuable time and effort. Within the reading pane settings, you have a few options to choose from: show on the right, show on the bottom, or fill screen. Each of these options offers a different way to view your emails. Selecting show on the right will split your Outlook window vertically, displaying your email list on the left and the currently highlighted email's content on the right. This option is great if you have a wider monitor, allowing you to get a clear view of the email while scanning through your inbox. Choosing Show on the bottom divides the window horizontally, making it particularly useful if you are working on a smaller screen or if you prefer having a longer list of emails visible at any given time. Finally, Fill Screen is an excellent option for those who want to maximize their screen real estate for the email's content, effectively reducing distractions by hiding the rest of your inbox. You can easily switch between these options as often as you like, depending on how you want to manage the layout of your emails on any given day. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can significantly improve how you interact with your emails in Microsoft Outlook. Don't hesitate to experiment with these settings until you find the one that suits your needs best. There are no right or wrong choices. It's all about what works for you. Mastering this feature can genuinely streamline your email checking process, making it a smoother and more efficient routine part of your day. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your time with Microsoft Outlook just a bit more productive.